Welcome to Gedi Maro, the last of 2025, but definitely it is going to be all about cars, all about automobiles. My name is Sid. This is City 1016, and with me is Shivam from the Cornea Impression.
It's been a year since we
Hmm.
have been doing this.
Correct?
I just realized that कि एक
Correct?
साल हो गया हमें.
Correct?
I hope आप लोग को ये साल मजा आया हमारे साथ में क्योंकि we had some viral moments. Considering the fact that it was still a new show or it is still a new show, we had a small bit of virality over there
घमंड
on
नहीं किया
Instagram.
कभी like we always say. Hashtag घमंड नहीं किया कभी.
But हमें है ना एक ड्रिंक स्पॉन्सर लेके आना चाहिए.
Can I just say, can it be a coffee drink?
Yeah, it has to be a coffee drink for me as well.
क्योंकि
I agree.
उसके अलावा और कुछ नहीं चल सकता.
हाँ, exactly.
Yeah.
क्योंकि जब हम लोग ये शो रिकॉर्ड करते हैं ना, ये ऐसा टाइम पे रिकॉर्ड होता है जहाँ पर हमें सबसे ज्यादा नींद लगती है.
Correct. Okay, so let's talk about the show and what is happening with BMW and unke screws.
So obviously, every brand wants to capitalize on profitability,
Right.
and one of the ways brands become profitable or make money is from getting their cars serviced.
Correct.
And when you service the car at an authorized service station, they make money. That is why they provide you with the extended warranty and so on and so forth, so that you keep coming back to the workshop, to the official brand workshop. जब वो वारंटी खत्म हो जाती है, आप उठा के कहीं और चले जाते हो गाड़ी.
Right.
काफी लोग ऐसा करते हैं. So now what BMW has done is to continue that relationship with the official service center. They are making sure you cannot go to anyone else.
Okay.
By patenting a screw which only their service centers can open.
Okay.
तो जो स्क्रू होएगा वो ही बनाएंगे, वो ही डालेंगे और उसका स्क्रू ड्राइवर उनके पास ही होएगा.
क्या ये BMW वाले कभी सरोजनी नगर या करोल बाग साइड दिल्ली के अंदर या लोखंडवाला ये सब सत्वा वत्वा मार्केट के अंदर कभी नहीं गए हैं? उनको मालूम नहीं है कि ये सब जुगाड़ हो सकता है?
हाँ, पर ये अगर आप करोगे तो ये पॉसिबिलिटी हो जाएगी. दे विल मेक श्योर दैट आपका एक तो अगर वारंटी के टाइम पे आपने खोल लिया तो वारंटी चली गई, एंड देयर विल बी अ हाई पॉसिबिलिटी कि आपका इंश्योरेंस वॉइड हो जाए बिकॉज समबडी हु इज नॉन ऑथराइज्ड हैज टेम्पर्ड विथ योर कार.
But what if it is after warranty जो 5 साल की होती है?
तो देखो पेटेंटेड स्क्रू तो 17 साल का है. पेटेंट 17 साल का होता है.
Right.
So that means that screw
The
nobody
screw is patented for 17 years, but the car ka warranty?
so basically what will happen is because the screw and the screwdriver are patented to BMW, you are violating the patent.
Okay, agreed.
So
But
insurance is it will 100% be in.
My question is, will it be valid? Will they give a 17-year warranty on the car as well?
They will give you an option to buy extended warranty. That is for sure.
But how many years?
So Porsche does up to 10 to 15 years depending which market you are in. I'm assuming BMW will come up with that solution.
सिर्फ एक स्क्रू के लिए?
एक स्क्रू के लिए.
और अगर वो स्क्रू निकाल के अपना कोई नॉर्मल वाला स्क्रू लगा दे उसके अंदर फिर
तो
देखो जुगाड़ तो बहुत हो सकता है.
जुगाड़ तो बहुत हो सकता है. जुगाड़ तो बहुत हो सकता है और जुगाड़ू लोग तो है ही है हमारे.
I mean,
मतलब
good call BMW. You tried well, but unfortunately.
नहीं, but I would say at least 95% of the owners will follow through. So the 5% who will do the jugaad.
Is it across the BMW range? Or is it only for specific models?
I think it will be across all the models in BMW. I'm not talking about Mini Cooper and Rolls Royce right now. I'm just talking about BMW as a brand. I think it will be from the smallest car to the most expensive car.
एक screw.
आदमी को.
All right. Now, let's talk about Dubai and let's talk about RTA, what the RTA is doing. And sometime back, we were talking about drones on the show. जब वो ड्रोन टेक वाला सारा का सारा पूरा एग्जीबिशन लगी थी.
वो तो हर हफ्ते हम लोग ड्रोन्स आ ही गए हमारे लाइफ में, कुछ ना कुछ बात होती है.
Seriously. But in that, we actually saw what the applications of drones was looking like.
Correct.
We saw fire engines के साथ में drones are being used fires बुझाने के लिए tall buildings के अंदर.
Correct.
We're also seeing now कि traffic lights को अभी wash करने के लिए भी drones are being used.
Correct.
There was a news 2 दिन पहले जिसके अंदर metro के जो tunnels हैं,
हाँ.
those are being washed by drones as well.
I saw a video where somebody was ordering ice cream through the Kita drone.
Yeah.
वो भी देखा मैंने. हाँ.
Everybody has now started to get into with the whole drone application, so which is a good thing. अब वहाँ पे भी ट्रैफिक बढ़ेगा कि नहीं बढ़ेगा, I don't know about that.
पर पुलिस का ड्रोन आपने देखा है कि नहीं?
I still haven't seen.
You haven't seen it?
No.
यार, you just drive towards Bardubai
हाँ.
on Sheikh Zayed Road in the evenings. and you will see near GDP पे Golden Diamond Park के बाहर एक होता ही है drone usually. It's
Really?
always there, yes.
Talking about driving, the
हाँ,
RTA has also implemented कि 400 दिरहम आप और बचा सकते हैं,
बचा सकते हैं
बचा सकते हैं।
कैसे?
सिर्फ आप जो फास्ट लेन जो है,
हाँ,
एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट वाली जो होती है,
हाँ.
उसको आप सिर्फ ओवरटेकिंग के लिए यूज करें। इफ यू आर ऑन द फास्ट लेन एंड यू आर जस्ट ड्राइविंग, 400 दिरहम का फाइन आपको लग सकता
So
है।
how do they monitor that?
रेडार्स,
तो
you
कब
have
ये
to
भाई कभी से इम्प्लीमेंट हो रहा है? क्योंकि मैं तो अभी चला के आया फास्ट लेन में ही।
all the best।
नहीं भाई, ऑल द बेस्ट बोलो, ये गाड़ी हमारी इंपाउंड हो चुकी है ऑलरेडी।
all the best। But yeah, this is the new rule which has come out
Okay.
from last week.
Okay.
The first lane, the
हाँ,
fast lane जो
fastest
होती है,
lane जो है,
the
हाँ,
fastest lane, that you can only use for overtaking.
okay,
You cannot be on that lane once you've overtaken the car in front of you. You have to go back to your own original lane.
correct, and that is how it is actually used across the world.
Exactly.
So the last lane is for overtaking, not to just drive and flash everybody. हटो 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 हमारे रास्ते से हटो. Sorry, Nissan Patrol drivers, this is a message specifically for you.
Oh.
हाँ,
All right. So talking about the driving,
हाँ.
there is also a couple of bridges which have opened up.
Yes, so basically the drive from 2nd December Street to DIFC and World Trade Center has been cut down from 10 minutes to 2 minutes.
Really?
Yes, so no more World Trade Center roundabout.
Okay.
There's a new bridge or flyover that has opened up which goes above that.
हाँ.
You come from 2nd December, you climb that and you go straight into DIFC.
Nice. So वो पूरा का पूरा नीचे जो एकदम ट्रैफिक जैम हो जाता
हाँ.
था राउंड के आसपास
Correct.
का, that's all gone.
That is going away.
You're bypassing that.
Bypassing
basically.
that, correct. And there's also new connectivity for the back lane of Sheikh Zayed Road going towards Bardubai.
Right.
There is a new connection into the same flyover which goes into Bardubai as well. So you again skip that whole World Trade Center wala jam.
That's interesting.
So they have delivered this project 1 month or 2 months earlier than what they had planned to deliver it.
And I'm guessing this was what 4-5 साल का
नहीं भाई, 2 साल का प्रोजेक्ट है टोटल.
Wow.
उसमें साल भर में इन्होंने ये ब्रिज तो खोल दिया है. एंड आई हैव सीन द वर्क गेटिंग, कि मेरे घर से दिखता है ये पूरा.
हाँ.
तो व्यू पूरा दिखता है मुझे, तो मैं रोज देखता हूँ कि कितना इन्होंने काम खत्म किया है.
Impressive. On the
Very
other
impressive.
hand, you have another bridge which is in Pune, जो चालू तो हो चुका है लेकिन कोई उसके ऊपर में जाता नहीं है.
क्यों?
क्योंकि वो पूरा हुआ ही नहीं है. लास्ट का जो 200 मीटर बचा था उसके अंदर, क्योंकि आगे वाला ब्रिज के बाद में जहाँ पे वो ब्रिज बनाते हैं,
हाँ.
they need to buy the land, right? The government needs to
हाँ,
buy that
हाँ.
land. उन्होंने वो खरीदा ही नहीं थी जमीन. तो अभी जो ब्रिज है वो पूरा बना हुआ है एक्सेप्ट फॉर द लास्ट 200 मीटर्स, और वो वहां पे एकदम खाली है. सो दैट ब्रिज is ready since 2019.
Full bridge is complete.
Full bridge is complete on the last 200
Oh my
meters की वजह से nobody is using that.
यार पता है वो क्या, शूट करने के लिए अच्छी जगह है. कोई परेशान नहीं करेगा.
And shooting से याद आया,
हाँ,
Fast and Furious के अंदर शूटिंग चल रही है.
वो तो हमेशा कितनी पिक्चर बना दी है भाई, मैं तो देखना छोड़ दिया है.
Bro, अब तू देखेगा, Cristiano Ronaldo is coming in the next one.
वो फुटबॉलर,
That footballer.
तो क्या फुटबॉल से गाड़ी तोड़ेगा अभी?
I
ऐसा
have
है?
no idea. But एक साइड पे फैमिली होगा, एक साइड पे सुई करके वो निकलेगा.
अच्छा, उसी का ही है क्या वो? भाई वो मारेगा, बॉल से गाड़ी तोड़ेगा, देखना.
I have a feeling it's going to be a football mayhem right now.
वो शाओलिन सॉकर देखिए. ये लोग उसी के डायरेक्टर को बुलाने वाले बनाने के लिए पिक्चर ये.
अभी कुछ भी हो सकता है. It's Fast and Furious, कुछ भी होएगा उसके अंदर में. And plus वैसे ही वो सऊदी के अंदर है क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो.
अच्छा, इधर ही अभी तक.
हाँ.
हाँ.
तो he will definitely get a lot of access सऊदी अरेबिया के अंदर for the Fast and Furious team.
Yes, correct.
So they'll have immense cars and कुछ भी उनको जो चाहिए across the globe.
Fast and Furious हलाल वर्जन. फॉर्मूला 1 में वापस तफरी होने लग गई. ये लोग सोते नहीं है क्या? आराम नहीं करने को होता है क्या?
They're getting ready for 2026 ना.
तो पहले से लड़ाई झगड़ा चालू कर दो ऐसे ही.
Of course, they have to be in the news.
तो हेलमेट मार्को is now no more in Formula 1.
He apparently has taken a backseat.
Okay.
अगला मेरे ख्याल से 80 plus का 84 या 85
हाँ.
का है.
हाँ.
And he's been in the business for a long time.
Correct.
And he's the guy जो सारा का सारा Red Bull के अंदर सबको लेकर आता था.
हाँ.
सारा का सारा न्यू टैलेंट को लेकर आता था. Exactly. He was the principal.
द्रोणाचार्य है फॉर्मूला 1 का वो.
You can say that.
हाँ.
You can say that. All the guys, चाहे वो Alex Albon हो या फिर Max हो या फिर any of those guys, he's the guy who got everybody in.
Right.
And he's no more now with Red Bull. Also, this helmet uncle, he was brought in by the Red Bull, the main guy,
अच्छा,
Dietrich Mateschitz.
okay,
I hope I get the name right. But and he used to only reply to him or have उससे ही सीधा सीधा बात.
okay,
And जब से वो uncle has passed away,
okay.
it's like कि लोग इनको पूछ रहे हैं कि भाई साहब
क्या
मतलब
करना है?
आपका PDF कहाँ है, आपका KRA क्या है, what are you doing here? So he's
हाँ,
also feeling a little out of place now, I guess.
correct.
So he's like बस हो गया, बहुत हो गया, I'm out of this place. मैंने कर लिया जो करना था.
जयराम जी.
Thank you very much. I've made a mark.
So Adrian Newey,
Hmm.
again, famous engineer,
Yep.
F1 designer,
Yeah.
has now moved as a team principal of Aston Martin.
Did you see the news? Mr. Stroll ने जैसे उसको बेचा सबको.
हाँ, नहीं देखा
After the whole thing was सारे का सारा after the Abu Dhabi Grand Prix.
हाँ,
So I think a week or 10 days afterwards, सारी की सारी team को they had called in their office. Mr. Stroll walks in and he's like, there are going to be changes. There are going to be a lot of people coming in, a lot of people going out. But don't worry, none of you are being let off. But there are going to be a lot of changes. And he left it like क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहुत ही वाला जो होता है ना
cliffhanger.
like, क्या होने वाला है
टिडिंग.
that was a good one.
सब बेचारे स्ट्रेस में डाल दिया सब लोग का ब्लड प्रेशर
अरे
स्पाइक
अभी
कर
तो खत्म
दिया.
हुआ है यार स्ट्रेस सारा का सारा पूरे
हाँ.
साल का अभी फिर से. But it was a good one.
Formula 1 तो अभी खत्म हुआ. It was a good year.
Yeah,
Title finish in Abu Dhabi. We can't
Correct.
ask for more than that.
correct.
And ऊपर नीचे, you know, all of the drama that goes around it.
Right.
2026 is going to be an interesting year. Budget caps, new cars, new teams, new rules, new regulations, so on, so forth. New powertrain, new fuel. I mean, there's so much going on.
Right.
But putting all of that aside, putting 2025 aside, we have a good year to look forward to. 2026.
Yep.
And इसके साथ में आता है मेरा सवाल आपको.
ओए बता.
तो अगर आप चाहते हो, अगर आपका एक ऑटोमोटिव ख्वाहिश हो, एक गाड़ी का ड्रीम हो जो आप 2026 में पूरा कर सकते हो, वो क्या होएगा?
अगर मेरे को एक गाड़ी का ड्रीम पूरा करना है चलाने का,
जो भी है, चलाना
या
है,
खरीदने
खरीदना
का.
है, एक्सपीरियंस करना है, ट्रैवल करके कुछ करना है, व्हाटएवर, यू नो, एनीथिंग दैट कार रिलेटेड.
I want to do the autobahn.
Just drive on the autobahn.
Just drive on the autobahn.
So-
I want that thing to happen.
Okay,
That's one.
okay.
Then I want to do a drive to Leh Ladakh.
Leh Ladakh, that is beautiful.
Yeah.
So actually, recently, some of my friends in India, guys from Bombay, sent their cars to Delhi and Chandigarh, and they drove to the highest point in their supercars,
Right.
and it was towards the China border. So
Right.
Arunachal Pradesh सबके side पे वो लोग गाड़ियाँ लेके गए. I forgot the name of the pass, but they went over there. It was beautiful, and they were hosted by. They went to Sikkim as well, and through that, so they were hosted by the Indian Army.
Right.
तो वो लोग मुझे फोटो भेज रहे थे, and it was
It is beautiful.
Beautiful,
That
beautiful.
whole side is just amazing.
beautiful. I mean, yes,
Agreed.
okay, very. That's a good one to have
Yeah.
as a
And I always say we have a lot in India which is not discovered.
correct.
Whether you want to go to the hills or you want to go to the beaches or you want to go to the plateau or you want to go
Correct.
just into mountains or just forests.
Correct.
Lots of things are there.
Correct.
अगर हम लोग सिर्फ जाते हैं. Like for instance, one of my cousins, he takes bikers.
Okay.
Enfield के अंदर वो अपना Himalayan and
हाँ जी.
they go up all the way Manali, Khardungla and all of those places
Correct.
ऊपर लेके जाएगा. And he keeps going and he's sending me pictures. Same thing.
Yeah.
कि देख मैं कहाँ पे हूँ. And I'm
हाँ.
like, I hate you. I want to be you, but I hate you. So that's one. What about you?
So, one of the things that I haven't tick marked is I haven't bought a Ferrari yet,
Aha.
and I hope that in 2026 I buy my first Ferrari,
अरे वाह.
and that is the target I want to set for myself.
Very cool. Very nice.
लेंगे नहीं लेंगे पता नहीं, but
कोई
I
बात
want to.
नहीं.
I'm hoping that fingers crossed.
Manifest, bro.
Manifest.
Vision board.
हाँ, vision
हमारा
board.
कहाँ है?
जर्नल करता हूँ मैं उसको.
हाँ, exactly. कहाँ गया हमारा vision board?
So
All right.
that's what I want to do for 2026.
Brilliant. What about you guys? Let us know in the comments below. Have an amazing, amazing New Year's Eve, and we wish you all the very best. Have an amazing. We'll see you in 2026.
Yes. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, stay safe, enjoy yourself. Make sure you enjoy and make sure you plan all your wishes for 2026. Let us know in the comments what would be your one automotive wish that you all want to come true in 2026. See you guys in the next year.
City 1016.